In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your Mailchimp account. Whether you've recently reassessed your email marketing needs or are simply looking for ways to cut costs, downgrading your Mailchimp account is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you can confidently adjust your plan. First off, let's navigate to the Mailchimp website. You'll want to start by going directly to the Mailchimp login page. Once you're there, the screen will prompt you to enter your username or email address, followed by your password. Take your time to ensure you're entering the correct details, as this will prevent any unnecessary login issues that could slow you down. After you've correctly filled in your login information, it's time to click on the Login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, make sure you're using the correct credentials, or click the Forgot Password link to reset your password if needed. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Mailchimp account. This is where all your campaigns, audience lists, and reports live, but for now we're focusing on adjusting your account settings. Now, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to various settings and account options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Profile. This action will direct you to a page containing your account details and preferences. Within your profile page, you'll notice a range of options relating to your account setup and personal information. Our goal here is to find the Shop New Plans option, which, despite its name, is where you'll go to either upgrade or downgrade your Mailchimp subscription. Clicking on Shop New Plans will take you to a pricing page showcasing the various plans Mailchimp offers, including the key features and subscriber limits associated with each. It's essential here to weigh the benefits of each plan against your current needs. If you're downgrading, consider which features you can do without, and how a lower tier plan aligns with your email marketing strategy. Select the plan that best fits your needs by clicking on it. Mailchimp will then prompt you with a series of confirmation screens to ensure you're making an informed decision. These screens include detailed comparisons between your current plan and the one you're switching to, along with any changes in functionality or limits you should expect. Following through these confirmation prompts, you'll reach the final step of the downgrade process. Here, Mailchimp may ask you to confirm your account password as an extra security measure. Once confirmed, your plan change will be processed, and you'll receive an email from Mailchimp summarizing the details of your new plan. A couple of things to keep in mind as you navigate this process. First, be aware of any changes in your plan's subscriber or email send limits, as this could affect your ongoing campaigns. Secondly, if you're halfway through your billing cycle, understand how Mailchimp prorates charges or credits for plan changes. This might mean you have a balance that will be applied to your account, or you might see a partial refund, depending on the specifics of your account and its billing cycle. Lastly, remember that plan downgrades can sometimes mean losing access to certain features. Before finalizing the downgrade, make sure you're not currently using any premium features that are critical to your marketing strategy, as losing these may require you to adjust your campaigns. There you have it, a simple guide to downgrading your Mailchimp account. While the process is quite straightforward, it's always good to review your email marketing needs periodically and adjust your plan accordingly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Mailchimp's Help Center is a comprehensive resource, or you can reach out to their support for more personalized guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes managing your Mailchimp account even easier. Remember, the key to successful email marketing is not just in the tools you use, but in how effectively you can engage your audience. Happy emailing!